In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to what is balance sheet report in QuickBooks Online. A balance sheet in QuickBooks Online is a snapshot of your business's financial position at a single point in time. It shows what you own, what you owe, and the difference between the two, which is your equity. Think of it as a health check for your company's stability, assets on one side, liabilities and equity on the other, and the two always balance. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. From the left navigation, open Reports. In the report categories, choose Company and Financial, then select Balance Sheet Standard. This version gives a clean, straightforward view without extra formatting, which is ideal for quickly understanding the fundamentals. When the report opens, you'll see it organized into three main sections. Assets appear first. These typically include current assets like your bank accounts and accounts receivable, as well as longer-term assets such as equipment. These are the resources your business controls and expects to benefit from. Next are liabilities, which cover what your business owes. Current liabilities often include accounts payable and credit card balances, while long-term liabilities might be loans due beyond the next year. Together, these show your obligations. Finally, you'll see equity. This section represents the owner's or shareholder's residual interest in the business after liabilities are subtracted from assets. It commonly includes contributed capital and retained earnings. At the bottom, the total assets will equal the total of liabilities and equity. That balancing is a built-in check that the report ties out. The balance sheet is dated as of a specific day, which matters because it's a point-in-time report. It complements performance reports like the profit and loss by focusing on position rather than activity. If something looks off, remember that accurate classifications and reconciled accounts are essential for a reliable picture. If you want to compare your current position with your planning, head back to Reports. Choose Budgets and Forecasts, then open Budget Overview. This report shows what you planned by account and period. While budgets typically reflect income and expense plans, reviewing your budget overview alongside the balance sheet helps you understand whether your cash, receivables, and payables can support the activity you planned and whether your obligations align with your expected inflows. And that's it. You've opened the balance sheet standard to see where your business stands today, and you've located the budget overview to put that position in the context of your plan. Use these two reports together to monitor stability, anticipate needs, and make confident decisions as you move forward.